fresh, bright red apples are grown in controlled orchards for the modern apple factory dessert production.
Premium bright red apples are selected for quality dessert manufacturing. Ripe, bright red apples are carefully harvested for factory processing. Only high-quality bright red apples move forward to production. Freshly harvested red apples are transported to the modern apple factory. Red apples arrive at the modern apple factory for processing. Bright red apples are unloaded into the factory system. Automated inspection ensures only perfect red apples continue.
Red apples are washed to remove dirt and impurities.
Washed red apples are dried before cutting.
Bright red apples are graded by size for uniform dessert preparation. Bright red apples pass under high-resolution optical scanners inside the modern apple factory to confirm consistent red color and remove any off-color fruit. Automated peelers remove the red apple skin efficiently. Apple cores are removed to prepare clean fruit for slicing. Apples are cut into uniform slices for even cooking. Apple slices are measured precisely for consistent flavor.
Prepared apple slices move to industrial cooking vats.
Ingredients are blended with apples to create sweet filling.
Controlled heat transforms apple slices into rich filling.
Mechanical stirrers rotate inside the vat to keep the bright red apple filling smooth and consistent inside the modern apple factory.
Temperature is carefully monitored to maintain perfect consistency of bright red apple filling. The apple mixture thickens into a rich, bright red dessert filling. The cooked apple filling is cooled to prepare for dessert assembly. The prepared apple filling is safely stored before the next production step. Automated molds shape consistent crusts for every dessert.
Automated molds shape consistent crusts for every dessert.
The crusts cool evenly before filling. Filling machines align to deposit apple mixture into crusts. Automated nozzles fill every crust with equal amounts of apple filling. Sensors verify that each dessert contains a uniform amount of bright red apple filling. Automated arms place the golden top crust over the apple filling.
The crust edges are sealed to lock in the bright red apple filling.
The assembled desserts move into the oven for final baking.
Controlled heat ensures a crisp crust and perfectly cooked apple filling. The baked desserts begin cooling to stabilize structure.
Temperature-controlled air cools the desserts evenly.
Each dessert is checked for uniform golden color and perfect finish.
Automated blades prepare the desserts for uniform slicing.
Each dessert is sliced evenly to maintain consistency in every package.
Sliced apple desserts are aligned carefully for smooth packaging flow.
Surface crumbs are removed to maintain a clean final product. Automated systems place each slice into protective trays.
Each slice is verified for accurate portion size and presentation.
Sealing preserves freshness and protects the apple dessert.
Each package receives a traceable production code. Branded labels are applied to complete retail-ready packaging. Advanced detection systems ensure complete product safety.
Weight verification guarantees consistency in every package.
Finished packages are grouped into cartons for distribution.
Cartons are securely sealed to protect the apple dessert during transport.
Each carton receives identification labels for tracking and delivery.
Barcode scanning updates the factory inventory system. Robotic systems stack cartons carefully onto pallets. Pallets are wrapped tightly to prevent shifting during delivery. Finished desserts are stored at controlled temperatures.
Temperature control ensures product freshness and safety.
Orders are picked according to shipment requirements.
Pallets are transported to the loading dock for delivery.
Refrigerated trucks carry the apple desserts to retail stores.
Refrigerated transport maintains freshness during delivery. The desserts travel safely to distribution centers. Products reach regional warehouses for sorting. Retail stores receive fresh apple desserts ready for display.
Packaged desserts are prepared for shelf placement. Desserts are placed in chilled displays to maintain freshness.
The finished apple dessert is ready for customers.
Customers choose fresh apple desserts for purchase.